Well, hello there. On parallel motion in thirds or tenths. What's that? We're still in the key of C major. Why do you need to learn this? Well, in many songs, you're going to learn things. Songs are Let's see if I can find a good song for you. Does that sound pretty? You know what? Those were all different types of notes, all on the white keys, but in groups of what is known as playing this. What is this? This is actually playing them where you're playing 3 notes a piece, where you play your C and you count 2 or 3. They're 3 notes apart. So you play C, ignore D, and play E. So they're groups and thirds. So you got C, E, which is there, or you might go F. Let's go F, A. Back to C, E. I'm just throwing out spots. So, thirds is thumb on the one note, which is a C. You ignore the next note, which is your white key, and play your third note, which is a E. Interesting. So, a lot of times it's all played on the right hand. But what we're going to learn is playing this separate hands, but we are going to start where right is on E, the left is on a C. Remember the flips and how you tuck your thumb. 2, 3, 4. And then you pull your thumb underneath for 1, 2, 3. Pull your thumb under for 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull your thumb under for 1, 2, 3. Pull 3, actually 4. Pull your thumb under 1, 2, 3, 4. And then when you go, remember, as you're pulling your thumb under to go, you pull your fingers over. So noticing numbers helps on what finger to play. Now, let's learn this, and we'll start and notice when they have these lines like that. That's actually in the bass clef. But that line goes all the way down here because that tells you the right hand's playing that. Notice the lines are down, meaning your left hand's playing it. So let's start all the way. You got the middle C, On your left hand, look at the second C, third C. Go to your fourth C, which is 1, 2, 3, the third note from the end of your piano. So put your your fifth, which is your pinky, on the C, your third, which is your middle, on E, and begin. We'll go, they're together. That sounds yuck, but sometimes we need way down there. So you C, E, and remember you tuck under with your thumb. Play your second and the third for E and G. I did 7 octaves, so I went to the 7th, to the C, the lowest C I can go to on the left with my right, on the right hand I did the E. Now I'm going to go back, which the second finger is on a C while the fourth finger is on an E. Now let's go back. Notice how you start off with a fifth finger, the pinky in the third, but you ended on what? A lot of times I find I never end with the same notes. But this one can be confusing. It's learning your third. So if it helps to do it separately, go for it. It's the same as the scales. You're just doing them a little closer together. So if you got your scale down, it's easy to do this.